Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, Southern LaGrange County, Indiana, Noble County, Indiana, Northern Whitley County, Indiana, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Dunlap to Napanita-Mentone and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Goshen, Warsaw, Winona Lake, Syracuse, Ligonier, Tri-Lakes, Columbia City, Milford, New Paris, Millersburg, North Webster, Pierceton, Topeka, Albion, Rome City, Gravelton, Hastings, Palestine, Gwinnett and Waterford Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the area. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaGrange, Noble, and Whitley.